Crap, they can't hear me. Okay, now they can. Goals for tonight. What are the goals for tonight? Okay, we need to be able to look around because we can't look around. But first I want to optimize move forward and side code. And then I want to optimize forward and side code, move forward and side code. And then I want to look around code, look around code, make door openable. I think that's good enough for tonight because I'm pretty freaking tired, I tell you what. That's fun. That's nasty.
What is it?
It's a tea. It's a tea thing. It's a drink. Oh my gosh. It tastes awful. No bueno. I tell you what. It's gross. It's nasty. Alright. So let's do what I said I'm going to do. We got these are the goals. And let's take all of these and tab them once. Then I want to go, let's go like this. And then we'll do an alt. Oh crap. There. Boom. Now it looks cool. Now it looks like a professional list that somebody made like me. I did it. Alright, let's go to our launcher. What was that called? Tips Adventure, right? Yes. There she be. Wonder how. There we go. Boom. Oh, this is awful. I gotta drink it fast. Okay, first of all, I don't want to open on this map. This map is the default map and it's huge. And every time it opens, it makes the computer sound like it's going to take off. So we're going to go open level. We're going to open this map because it's much easier on the computer. Also, I want to go up here and change preferences, project settings. Pretty sure that's what it is. Maps and modes. Editor startup, map, game default map. We're going to make them this map so that now when I open the project, this is the map. And I don't know if you guys remember if you were here, but I made this. It's very easy. You just file, new level. I made a folder that's called maps and I put it in there. You can also double click here if you want to open a map. So let's see what we've done so far. I know that I've already made it to where we can move. We have a character. Let's look at our character real quick. It's really nice looking. This is it. It looks really good. Don't judge me and don't be mean. Look at how detailed this is. That's our character, and this is our event graph so far. We have established our mapping context here. In the last live stream that I did, Random Game Dev, we made a mapping context. We're going to change it up though. We have separate input actions that are handling the forward movement and the right to left movement. And there's a way you can do it apparently by just having one input action. So that's going to be the plan. Dealio? Dealio. So let's just do let's duplicate this one, and I'll call it move IA instead of move forward, move right. And then you're supposed to do like a axis 2D vector. I think that's it for that. And then we go back to the mapping context itself. And we got to add one. And it's going to be move. And we add a few of these, so 4 of these. 1, 2, 3. So this one's going to be W, this one's going to be S, this one's going to be A and D. No, D and A. Just so everything's correct. Now I need a swizzle. I don't exactly know what swizzle means. So it has to do with vectors and stuff. It's hard to explain for me. But there's good YouTube videos. But you swizzle the input axis and then you swizzle it. We want it to Y, X, Z. It's already set properly. So basically I think usually the X is the first order of operation as far as what Boolean will get mapped to. So W is obviously just a keystroke. It's not something that, it's not like a mouse movement where you can move it this way or this way, this far or this far. So it's basically a 1 or a 0 or a off or an on type of input, right? Which is called a Boolean input or discrete or digital, blah, blah, blah. And when you have a 3 or 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, a multi-dimensional vector, as in you have a y, x, and z, or an x, y, and z, or just an x and y, if you input a Boolean to it, it'll always map it to the first vector. So it usually goes to x. So in this one, we need to go to y because friggin' we're going to use y for forward and back, and x is horizontal or strafing, blah, blah, blah. So s is going to be swizzled also, but we're also going to negate it. So we're going to swizzle it and negate it. And I think that works. We will see. And I don't believe D needs a modifier. I think that this one just needs a negate. And those will go into X. D will be positive X. A will be negative X. S, since it's swizzled, will go into Y, and it'll be negative on the Y, and this will be positive. And they're just 0 to 1 values because it's a Boolean. Like I said, it's just 0 or 1. And we can multiply that if we want to, but I don't know if we want to. So I'm going to disconnect these for now. And we'll probably just do this. And then go move IA. And split this struct pin. And I think this one's our forward vector, so we're going here. And this one's here. And this one's here. So let's see if this works. Because I'm not sure it's going to. Hey, it does work. Okay. See? Optimization. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So we can move around, and they don't call it old style. This was old style, I guess. I watched a YouTube video recently, and he's like, this is the old style way, which is completely valid. And I'm like, well, why are you calling it old style? But I didn't know you could do this and then have that swizzle. So I like that. We can just delete that. And then I can also delete these. And trash that one and trash that one. Nice. Now we just have a move. I like it. And that means I can delete these too. Oh crap, I hate that. Maybe I can delete them now. No, I don't know how to fix this or what this means really. Still referenced in memory, so I'm not going to delete them. I always get scared when it barks at me. And I'm trying to remember how to make my view scalable. Show FPS. We're running pretty good FPS apparently. I want to make this not so. Anyways, let's do now. Okay, so I can move, but I cannot look around. I can't turn. Okay, so now what I want to happen is I want only to be able. I don't want to be able to turn my head like this at all. I want to be able to turn my body only, and then I can do this with my head. So my head can only rotate up and down, and when I rotate left and right, it's the whole body moving. That's what I'm doing. So first we're going to make another of these. And this one's going to be look. I believe it's still going to be two-dimensional. No, yeah, it's still going to be two-dimensional. Yeah. I don't need to do anything with that. And this guy, we'll add him to look. Mouse, XY, 2D axis. I think that's all I need. I believe. We'll see. I think I need controller. All right. I split this again. Okay. So now, when I turn, wait, which one's which? I can't remember. X is horizontal, right? So this is going to, we want to add I don't remember how to control rotation. Control rotation. Set control rotation. Add actor world rotation. That's gotta be. Would that be it? Oh yeah, which one's yaw? I don't remember. I think There's a selection here somewhere. Use controller desired rotation. I believe I need that. Oh wait, right here. Use controller rotation yaw. Yes, and this is the Y, I believe. So I believe we just do this here. Oh, I don't even have a freaking camera. Oh, I need a camera. And a spring arm. Call that a boom. Add camera. And we'll attach the camera to the spring arm. And then I need to adjust the spring arm length. We will make it, I think -5 is how I've had it before. Okay, still looks normal. Okay, so now we want to rotate that spring arm when we want to change the pitch of the spring arm with the mouse, with the Y. So I'll take this boom, add, oh, we have to clamp this too. Crap. How do I do this? Get okay, let's just try rotation. Rotate. Get target rotation. Get world rotation. Get socket rotation. Can I just get local rotation? Get, what is this? We'll just try this, see if this works. Okay, there's that. And we're gonna split this struct pin. I'm pretty sure it's the pitch that I want to change. So I want to add, and I'll add this value to it. And then, no, I don't want it. Set target. Well, I want to get, no, I don't want that. Go.
No one's watching?
No, not right now. How do I set the rotation?
I'll watch. Wait, what are you streaming on?
Set absolute
What are you
rotation.
streaming on?
Set relative rotation.
Then
Okay, what if I get relative rotation
why are
instead
you
of
even
target
talking?
rotation?
There's no one here.
Because it's a video also. Quit messing with me, you jerk.
Like,
You're mean.
like, there's no one watching. Why?
Get relative rotation. Let's try
Just
that.
have one bite. One chicken nugget. It's not even chicken. Okay, bye. I can barely get it out because of this. Can I just punch the blueprint?
There.
Can
Let's
I
see if
punch
that
the
works.
blueprint?
Boom. Oh wait, is Z y'all?
What if I just make this bigger? Okay.
Wait, did I mess up?
No, you didn't.
I did. Z is y'all.
You're mean, Dad.
Let's see what happens. Okay, so I can go up and down, but it doesn't go left and right at all. Why not? What did I do wrong? So this part's working, I believe. But this isn't doing anything. I don't know why. It's already on the capsule. What am I doing wrong? Add world rotation. What am I doing wrong? Let me try just adding it to the self and see what happens. Nothing. Still.
How do you turn this on? Oh my gosh. Dad.
What?
Here you go. You just plug it in. Move it.
Hey, what you doing?
You want this?
Oh, I don't want that. No. Thank you, though.
You're cold. No, I mean you're hot. Like, see? You're
I don't
warm.
feel hot.
Yeah.
It's not working still. I'm trying to
Maybe
figure
because
this
you're
out.
so stupid.
Maybe.
There's one person watching. I want
Yeah.
them to comment. I want to know who it is. So what if it's like
Okay,
Chicken
so
Nugget
this is not
Monster?
working. I don't know how to make it work.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Ugh. How do you... Let me get controller
Have you
again.
just searched up?
Get controller.
Controller.
Wait, what if I
Wait,
set
what are you doing? Are you making a game?
control? No, you can't set control rotation.
Dad, what are you doing? Dad, what are you making?
I'm just messing around.
What do you mean messing around? Are you making a game?
Yeah, I'm trying to make a game.
What? No, I don't have to. Anyway,
What's this?
you're
Transformation.
just messing around?
Yeah.
So why, if you're messing, why are you doing? Are you making a game?
I'm gonna have to review a YouTube video.
Yeah, that's
How
what I
do
just
you-
said. Dad,
Add actor world rotation. No. Let's check out a YouTube video.
wait, Dad. It's gonna be copyright. We're gonna get copyright. We're
Why?
gonna get copyright
Why do you think that?
because it's on YouTube and it wasn't yours, so you're gonna get copyright.
I don't think so.
People react to videos all the time. It's not getting copyright.
Okay, Hunter, can you just
Enhance
like, stop
input.
being me? No, I wasn't talking to you. Anyways. But are you making a game? What are you doing? Dad, what are you
What?
doing? Like, are you making a game?
Gosh darned it, why did I click on that?
One time I accidentally clicked on one and I just exit out of it.
Hold on, let's see.
Look at this.
Pretty sure it's
do
here.
that.
Quit.
No, look. If you
Camera
just do that,
input, right there.
and then you get a free fan for
Add
hours.
controller. What does that say?
Effective.
Yeah, I don't think.
So you can
Zoom
see
in, yeah. Add controller yaw input, add controller pitch input.
Oh wait,
You
Dad.
can do that? He's
Dad.
in the character. What?
Hey, Dad. Can I get like a chair
Add control.
for my?
My
desk?
gosh, Alosh. I tell you what. Let's try all of this. Get rid of all of this. Why we don't even need that. Okay, let's add controller. I didn't even know these existed. All
Hey,
right,
Dad.
pitch and yaw.
Dad.
So here's pitch. Here's yaw. Triggered.
Oh, you had two.
Triggered.
Look,
And yeah,
the
Okay.
ceiling.
let's see if this works.
Wait, Dad. Can I get?
Okay, so now, God dang it. So now it works, but the pitch is not working.
Dad.
The opposite problem.
Dad, could I get my own gaming chair?
Yeah.
I want to get, or like a. I just want to get a purple gaming chair.
Okay, let's
kinda
figure
like
this
this,
out.
Dad. Kind of like this, but purple.
Why is the X always 0? Let's print. Let's
Why
do some
are you
print.
ignoring me?
I'm trying to do this.
Well, you can
Let's
talk.
append.
Wait, Dad, why can't you talk to me?
And then we'll do the X value,
Ducky.
colon, And then we'll do the Y value. Oh, could we do colon space? We'll do space, colon space, and then we'll do the Y value. Actually, you know what? I'll do it super profesh. We're gonna take it off of there, put it on there, take it off of there, do it on there. X, colon, space, boom, space, Y, colon, space. There. Now we should be able to see these anytime I move the mouse. So they're both triggering, as I suspected. Why doesn't Y affect the friggin' pitch input? What's wrong with the controller here? Is there something in the controller that I'm missing, maybe? Transform attached to pawn. True if the controller location will match the pawn's location. Control rotation will match control rotation in either case. Since the controller's location is normally inaccessible, it is intended mainly for the purpose of being able to attach an actor that follows the possessed pawn location. So it's full aim rotation. I don't know what that means. Let's see what that does. Nothing. Good. All right. We can uncheck that because we don't need it, apparently. So I don't think there's anything in the controller that's preventing us from doing it. But what is preventing us from doing it? Why is the pitch? Okay, so now I'm not going to do this. I'm going to get controller, get control rotation. I'm going to split this and see if it is. If I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. I think. Maybe. Let's see. This is going to be pitch. Y'all. Oh crap. Y'all. And then I'll put that there. And we'll see if they are changing, maybe. Okay, look at that. The pitch is changing, but the boom, the camera boom is not following the controller's pitch. That's what's going on here. So let's go to this. Why not? Camera settings. Use pawn control rotation. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's why. Oh God, yeah, that is it. And it's backwards. Why is it backwards? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck is going on? Do I need to do something here? Modifier. Negate. No. Maybe I need to negate it here? I feel like, yeah, the pitch is backwards. So what if we, can I negate that? Is that what I need to do? I feel like that's not what I need to do, but I mean, it's working now. Look at that. Okay, so now we can move around and we can look around now. It's working. Yay. That's awesome. Look at that. That works well. We can't jump yet. I'm not jumping. I don't know if we're going to put jump in here. Okay, so let's look and see what we've done so far. Optimize. This is done. I don't know what. How are we gonna mark things as done? How can I change the font? We'll do that. That's done. Look around code is done. So now I want to make a door and make it openable, which means we're going to need another input. First, we're going to make the action. I'll duplicate this one because it's a discrete action. And this is going to be a digital. Save. Good to go on that. Okay, we can get rid of this, get rid of this. We can go ahead and comment this. Look. And this is going to be move. Alright, now we will make, what am I going to make now? Hey, what's up, Olito? I got this really gross drink. I'm trying to chug it. It's awful. Oh. But check it out, bro. So far, and now I've figured out how to make it. I can look around and I can move. Check that out. Boom. Let's do a save real quick, just in case my computer decides to crash. Alright, now I want to trigger a action. So now if we press the E key, it does something. So basically I've set the action here, the E is here. So now I can save that. That's part of our input mapping context now. We've got move here, look here. We'll do action here. Action underscore IA. And once it's started, that means you pressed it, you pushed it down. And if it is started, then what do? We're going to make a function that is the interact function. So I'm going to make an interact function. And this is going to have a line trace in it. Let me see. So here, it'll be interact. And I also now want to make a blueprint interface, I believe. So I'm going to make a new folder. These are going to be BPIs. I'm going to make a blueprint interface. And it's going to be interact BPI. Save. And I don't need anything, I don't think. We'll have to just see. Uh-oh, somebody's calling me. Hold on a second. Hello. No. Oh, your mom just asked if you're down there. Go talk to her. I said no because I didn't know you were down here. All right, sorry. Sorry, 0 people. Okay. We have a blueprint interface now. Let's see. Does object implement interface? Okay. I don't need that there. I need to cut that out of there. I need to go to the interact function because we're going to do a line trace. Do line trace by channel. And we're going to get player camera manager, get location, get actor, no, yeah, get actor, location. That's going to be our start. And so now we got to get actor forward vector. We're going to times this. I don't know how long it's going to be. Not very long. 250, 250, 250. And we'll add this to that. And that's going to be our end. So 250 is the length of our interact. I might have to change that, but we'll see. And for now, we'll use the visibility channel, but I think I'll probably make my own interact channel sooner or later. Actually, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see. I don't remember how to do it exactly. I believe it's here. Channel. I'll have to look that up. I don't remember how to do it. But for now, we'll just use visibility. It's fine. And then we're going to break the hit result out. And here's what we need to look at. Hit actor. And this is where I can do this. Like now we'll check to see, does this actor implement this interface? And we can do a branch right here and check. If it does, then we will interact. Bam. Wait, new function. Oh yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, we'll call that interact. There. Bam. And now I want to draw this for a while. 5 seconds. Good night, buddy. There it is. It's working. You can't see it, so if you shoot, it's right in front of me now. But as you can see, if I move over a little bit, I can see it. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. And then that little marker tells you it hit something. And this floor does collide with the visibility channel, so it is hitting stuff. Alright, so now we can make our door. So that's going to be, this is our core. The door is not going to be part of the core, I don't think. We're going to make interactables. Should I call it interactables? Yeah, interactables. Interactables. And then here we'll make another blueprint. It's going to be just an actor. And we'll call it a door. Oh wait, maybe we should call it an interactor and make it a parent and then make a door. What up, James? Check it out. Here, I'll show you what I've done so far. Let's call this an interactor parent. Interactor parent BP. Yeah, I'm making a little game. So far, this is our character. All you are is an invisible capsule with a camera attached to you. And then here's the code we've made so far. Oh, sorry that no one else is watching, man, dude. That's okay. The goal of this is gonna be, this is gonna be on my channel, so I can edit it and make it an actual video. But really, I just enjoy doing this. But like I said, I've added move, I've added look, and so far, we can do that now. So now we can move around and look around, which is good. So now we are adding, oh yeah, and I can also shoot out what's called a line trace. So while we're moving, we can shoot out these things. Now these are drawn, but these are only debug. These are kind of like if you're in a game and you go up to a door and you press E to open the door, it's probably shooting out a line trace, and that line trace will give you, here I'll show you. So here's my line trace, and I'll change the color of it just so we can see. So now I'll change it to blue. Save, yes. So now we got blue ones, right? But this is the code that does the line trace, and right here I can see if whatever it hits, does it implement a blueprint interface that I made. So now we need to make a door, and the door will implement the blueprint interface. So right now I've got an interactor parent BP. I'm going to go to the class settings. I'm going to add an implemented blueprint interface, and it's going to be the interact. So now we have an interface call or space right here. Boom, boom, good to go. So now I need to make another one of these. Oh crap, no. Oh wait, delete. I can create a child. There we go. And this will be called a door. I didn't call that parent, I called it parnet. Whoops. There. Alright. Now the door itself. We can add a mesh component to it. It's going to be a static mesh. Wait, no. Cube? Yeah. Cube. There we go. For now, it'll just be a cube. And I will scale it. Oh wait, hold on. I think I need a certain thing. Hold on. We have to do something else. We have to go to the modeling tab. So we're going to go to modeling. We're going to make our own cube right here. And I'm going to make it small. And tall. I'll make it that tall for now. I don't know how tall. We'll go 150 on the height. And then on the width, I'll go 8. Boom, that looks good. Okay. And I also need to edit its pivot point. I don't remember how to do that. Right here. Edit pivot. Right there. accept. So now when we rotate this guy, it rotates like that. That's exactly what we wanted. So now, oh crap, I don't know where that saved. How do I save it? Save, create, autogen, current folder. I don't know where it is. Crap. Okay, well it's right there, so I can go to the asset itself. Maps generated. Oh, that's lame. Whatever. It's gonna be here, I guess. I want to move it though. We're gonna call them custom meshes. Custom mesh. And that's where I want that to be. No, go away. Move here. There we go. Alright. So now I can delete that from the world because we don't need it there. We want it in the blueprint. So I'm going to add a static mesh that is that. And since I was already selected on that in the world, it came up for me right here. So boom, we got this. Now we need to rotate it when I click on it, when I interact with it. So we're going to go to the event graph. And what happens if I interact? There we go. If I interact, we need to check to see if it's already open or if it's closed. So open, get open, get relative rotation, split, add relative rotation, split, okay, so oh god, what am I going to do? How am I going to do this? I don't remember how to do this. I think it's a timeline. I think I use a timeline. Yeah, I freaking use a timeline. That's what it is. Okay, so how do I do it though? The relative rotation currently is 0. So it goes 0 to 90. Yeah. Alright. So what we need to do, we're gonna go like 87. Yeah, it's not gonna open all the way. So it's so super realistic. Alright, so it's gonna be 0 for now. So I have to add timeline. And it's gonna be open, close. And play from start, play. Yeah, we'll play from start. If it's already open, we need to reverse from end. If it's not open, we need to play from start. Okay, there's that. Now I need to go into this thing, add a track, add a float track. It's gonna be rotation. No, we'll just call it yaw, because it's just gonna be the yaw. And then we'll add a curve key here. And this is gonna be at 0 and 0. And then add another one here. And this one's gonna be, it's gonna take 1.5 seconds to open. And then this is gonna be 90. And it's gonna take 1.5 seconds. And there we go. We should be good to go. And let's do Let's make it curvy. Okay, so we got this track set. So now we can go back and use this track to set the rotation. So set relative rotation, set actor relative rotation. Yeah, set relative rotation. And I'll split this, and we'll just go here and here. And I think that's it. Is that really it? Is that already done? No freaking way. I think what I need to do is a do once here though. Yes, that's what we need to do. And then once this is finished, there. There we go. Let's see if it works. I don't think it will, but we'll see. Oh crap, I need to place one in the freaking world, obviously. So let's go here, here, here. And now here's our door. Put that there. Now we'll play. Where's the door at? Oh, it's so small. Look at that. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Because I'm really smart. I'm really smart, okay? There, I have to set it properly. Thank you, James. All right, let's see what it does now. I can't keep hitting it until it's all the way open. Let's make it go a little faster though, I think. We'll make it just go 1 second. Okay. I know, okay, so I remember one thing. There used to be there's a way you can like check where the person is and find out if they're on this side or this side. You can make the door open appropriately. We might try that. Because you can't go through it now, but whenever it starts to... Yeah, it's like it's going right through you. But when you try to move, that's weird. Alright. That's... Let's see, isn't that it? Make door openable. Yep, that is it. That was my goals for tonight, and we are all done. So we've got it. Now we have an interactor, and we have a door, child interactor. We got our main character, which, you know, it's just a camera right now. But we have the code that we can move around. And we can interact with things. So now we just got to start making adventures. Sounds good. Next, I think next time I do one of these, we're gonna go into the Fab store and go check out stuff that we can get for free. to use like an actual door model instead of, you know, a cube that I made myself. But that'll be it for tonight. I'm going to bed. Love you guys. I'll see ya. Thank you, James. Thank you,